Yeah, so I wanted to show you one virtual drums you can play on your phone. It's called Swat Drum. Yeah. And in this session, you can see they have all the drums there. And they have modes, they have kits, classes, skins, let me say tracks. This is my recording where the record of the drums will go, and you can actually select files, like any file, especially if you want to play over an instrumental, yeah, like a piano or instrumental session. You get me? Yeah, so it's now loading. Let's wait for it to load. Yeah, so after that you select the instrumentals you want to play the kit over. So let's search. I think maybe so after recording, you can actually save the record and go back to the recording sessions there, and you can
Click the like button to bubble up the likes for me. Subscribe and even turn on the notification bell to get more from me. Yeah.